So imagine this. You're making money while you sleep effortlessly. I know. That sounds like one of those overhyped promises that you hear, right? You've probably seen videos of people talking about different ways that you can make passive income. But let's be honest, most of those methods come with some sort of catch. Whether it's drop shipping or investing in stocks or even renting out properties, there's always more time, energy, and maintenance involved than people usually like to let on in their sales videos. The truth is, what most people don't tell you is just how much effort goes into building these so-called passive income streams. Whether it's building a dropshipping business, running a blog, or managing your rental properties, there's constant work involved. True passive income shouldn't be like that. It should be simple, you put in your capital, and it starts generating returns, allowing you to afford the lifestyle of your dreams without lifting a finger. And that's where Bitcoin mining comes in. It's probably the most overlooked passive income opportunity out there. All it really takes is purchasing a machine, plugging it into a cheap energy source, and boom, money starts flowing in without the hassle. It's like having a digital gold mine that can be scaled larger and larger, and instead of having to go labor with a pickaxe, the computer does all of the work for you. Setting it up is incredibly simple. All you do when you're working with us is you purchase the equipment, wait for it to arrive, and as soon as we plug it in, it's generating income. There's no special expertise needed, no ongoing management. All you have to do is plug it in and earn when you're working with someone like Abundant Minds. Let's talk numbers, because I know that's what you're here for. When we talk about Bitcoin mining, a good rule of thumb is a cap rate of about 30%. That means you're typically earning back a substantial portion of your investment each year. If you're new to investing, a 30% cap rate is pretty impressive. It's a higher return than what you'd expect from most real estate properties, stocks, and definitely bonds. Not to mention there's no tenants, no need to wake up and manage emails. Your Bitcoin accumulates without you moving a finger, and these returns are also ignoring the potential appreciation of the asset itself, Bitcoin. So this is how it works. Your mining machine is part of a global network of computers that verify and secure Bitcoin transactions. Every time it completes a task, you get rewarded in Bitcoin. And because this network is decentralized, there's no bank and no middleman involved in you getting paid. It's just you, your machine, and the Bitcoin that you earn. Typically, people are mining in pools, which means that several miners get together to join forces and mine more Bitcoin. And your Bitcoin will accumulate in this shared pool account. That pool account will send periodic payouts to your personal Bitcoin wallet equal to your share of work contributed, whether you personally won that block of Bitcoin or not. Once it's set up, there's virtually no maintenance involved. These machines are designed to run 24/7, and if you're working with a reliable hosting provider like us, we'll handle any technical issues that come up for you. You just sit back, let it run, and watch your earnings accumulate. And this is the best part. You have full control over your Bitcoin. The rewards are sent directly from the pool account to you, so nobody else has access to your funds. A Bitcoin wallet is not like a bank account where you have to ask permission to move your money. It's more like gold being sent immediately to your house. Once it's in your possession, you have full control over your earnings. It's a secure, private, and transparent way to earn. And then you can hold it, trade it, or convert it into cash, whatever works best for you. Now you might be wondering, but what about the energy costs? Well, that's a great question. If you have access to affordable electricity or renewable energy sources, your profits can be substantial. That's why our hosting solutions focus on low-cost, eco-friendly energy sources so that you can maximize your returns and minimize your costs. One of the best parts about Bitcoin mining is that it can suit almost any budget. Unlike real estate, which typically requires a huge upfront investment, you can get started in Bitcoin mining with under $10,000. That's really all it takes to start seeing returns. And if you're someone with a larger budget, mining can scale with you. You can invest $50,000, $100,000, even up to a couple million, and see that investment working for you with proportional returns. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand your portfolio, Bitcoin mining can adapt to your financial situation. You can start small, test it out, and then scale up as you get more comfortable. But this is truly an investment that can grow with you no matter where you're starting from and no matter how much money you have to invest. It's really rare to find an investment that offers this kind of flexibility. Again, real estate, for example, usually has a very high entry cost and limitations to how many deals you can find. With Bitcoin mining, you have the freedom to start on your terms at your pace, and it makes it accessible to a wide range of investors. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Like any good passive income stream, it compounds on itself. Let me explain. You buy a mining machine, it starts generating Bitcoin for you, and over time, you accumulate Bitcoin in your wallet that you can then use to invest a portion of that Bitcoin and reinvest and buy another mining machine. That new machine produces even more Bitcoin, which can then be reinvested again. And it's like a snowball effect. You start with one machine, and as you accumulate Bitcoin, you can gradually build up your mining capacity. Eventually, you might have an entire fleet of machines, all working together to generate passive income 24/7. This reinvestment strategy allows your earnings to compound over time, meaning that your income grows faster the more that you reinvest. And additionally, unlike dividend stocks, where you either reinvest all of it or take it as income, this opportunity gives you more freedom to choose the allocation that you want reinvested versus using to pay for your comfortable lifestyle. It's your money, so you can do with it as you please. This is one of the reasons why so many people are excited about Bitcoin mining. It's not just about a single machine. It's about building a self-sustaining system that works for you. It's an opportunity to create exponential growth. So, if you're ready to dive into a passive income journey, consider mining with Abundant Mines. With our hosting company, we make it extremely easy to get started. From purchasing the right equipment to setting it up and managing it for you, just let us handle the hard part while you enjoy the rewards.